Hello friends, myself Ravi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see what are the different text editors that we can use to develop the HTML web pages. So let's dive into the tutorial. There are a couple of options available in order to choose the right text editor. We have the text editors like Atom, Sublime Text. We have also VS Code. We can use Notepad. So these are the options available and it's totally depend on you which of one text editor you like and you can use it. There is nothing hard and fast rule to choose the right text editor. But if you are a complete beginner, if you are writing HTML for the first time, I will suggest you to use Notepad because while using Notepad, you need to write each and every syntax by yourself, and in that way you will learn the HTML in a better way. So you can use Notepad in the Windows PC, you can use TextEdit in the Mac. So it's all on your choice if you are complete beginner. But if you have some basic idea about HTML, so you can start writing HTML on the VS Code. Uh, for the upcoming videos, I will work with the VS Code only, but I will also show you how you can use Notepad to write the HTML codes. So first I will show you how you can write your HTML code into the Notepad. Let's open Notepad. Let's first save this as demo app. Okay, and name it as demo app dot. The extension for the HTML file is HTML. Okay, so suppose if you have an image, you name it as some image dot jpg if it is jpg formatted image. If it is png formatted image, you name it image dot png. Similarly, if you have a file, it has also extension. If it is a simple text file, it is name dot text. If it is excel file, you name it name dot excels, right? So similarly, if you are working with HTML file, you need to name this as demo app dot html. So let's click on save. Now let me type one tag. Don't worry about the tag right now. What is tag and how we write it? I'm just showing you the demo how you can do setup for the Notepad. Okay, so if you are a complete beginner, you can use Notepad. And write open and close HTML tag, write welcome text, save it. Now let's go to our file explorer, C drive, users, scroll down. You can see demo app here, right? Click on it. So it has opened in Chrome, and you can see the welcome content here, right? So in this way you can use your Notepad to write the HTML. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.